Good morning. I'm Adam Johnson. I serve on the board here, and that's my mom, Linda Chubbuck. I'll just take a moment to honor her because I think that's appropriate today. And she's been such a big influence in my life and someone that has inspired me to continue to learn, to know my true inner spiritual self, and just be kind and be open-minded and be courageous and non-conforming. And if it weren't for her, I don't know that I would have even found unity. I mean, I can't imagine who I would be without you in my life and all that you've impacted me. So thank you. Love you. All right, on to business. You are invited to download our app by entering the Unity Village Chapel at our app store. On the app at the bottom, click on the tab labeled OOS. There you can follow today's order of service, find the announcements. You can also post prayer requests on the prayer wall, and for ministers, prayer team, and community to hold sacred space with you. You can register or get more information for all the activities and events mentioned during announcement on our website, the unityvillagechapel.org, the app, and our weekly e-newsletter, The Spotlight. Oh, before I forget, I wanted to take a slight amendment. I was almost going to holler at you because I'm a big fan of the Labyrinth as well. And it really is like a way you can, as you step into the Labyrinth, you can set an intention and you can, release as you walk in, receive in the center, and then integrate, or there's like another R word that I'm forgetting at the moment, as you come back out. So you can kind of like bring a question or concern to it and just like work through it in a physical way. And there's something about taking the physical steps and walking through that physical space that really is different than just like thinking it or writing it. So I highly encourage you to do that. And it's the largest stone paver labyrinth in North America. It's about 6,000 square feet. So a little bit more info on it. Anyway, all right. And speaking of that, we will be at our Kindred Spirits event, which is really just, it should be fun. It's meant to be a fun night of like social connection, getting to know each other that are here, and hopefully bringing in some other folks that might want to just be social and connect with others. And there's a postcard with info at the welcome table. Betsy is reminding me, so we'll be doing a labyrinth walk there, is why I say that specifically. So please join us. That's on May 17th, 6 to 9 at the Fillmore Chapel, a vibrant night of connection, creativity, and community. We're planning like a group art project and mocktails and some good snacks, and it should be a lot of fun. It's your chance to make a friend, be a friend, and bring a friend. Free to attend, just show up ready to shine. Make your plans to be here at Unity Village May 30th, 31st, and June 1st for Soulshine Renewal and Homecoming Sunday. Deepen your divine connection and connect in spiritual community. Whether you're from Lee Summit or across the country, this is a special time to shine. Register now. Farm to Table Community Meal has moved. It's now Sunday, June 22nd at 6. Hopefully the road is open by then. Colburn. It's just up Colburn Road for those who don't know. There's another way to get to it if you need to. But join us for an evening of music, food, fun, and shining our light at the Gardens at Unity Village. Cost is $50 per person and limited to 50 people. There's a raffle to win 2 free tickets in the lobby. Join us June 23rd to 27th for Unity Kids Camp, a joyful week of games, art, nature walks, and playful discovery. Through meditation, time on the labyrinth, and meaningful connection, kids will gain tools to support their inner peace and confidence long after camp ends. Free to attend, come grow, laugh, and explore with us. And now we move into our giving.